Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A retail company experienced significant operating losses in the current year and has recurring negative cash flows. That's not good. Management has prepared cash flow forecasts showing improvement only if new financing arrangement is finalized. We're going to be good cash flow. We're going into this financing agreement. As of the audit report date, financing negotiations are incomplete. What should the auditor do? Now, here what we're looking at, we're looking at a going concern situation. If you want AI to explain what's given in the problem, you could ask AI to explain the topic if need be. If not, start to answer the question. Would the auditor issue an unmodified opinion with no additional paragraph? What is unmodified or unqualified opinion? It means everything is good. And we know from this situation that that's not the case. They really need this new financing. So A is an easy elimination because unmodified opinion means it's a clean opinion, and that's not the case here. So that's easy. It should be an easy elimination as long as you understand unmodified is a clean opinion, the best opinion, and you can't do that here because might be a going concern issue. So A is out. B, withdraw from the engagement. No, you don't withdraw immediately. You have other options, so let's wait to see what's going to happen, but you don't withdraw. That's an extreme. B is out. C, include an emphasis of a matter paragraph highlighting the substantial doubt about going concern. Is that a reasonable thing? Yes. You would say they're incurring losses and recurring negative cash flow. For now, they are negotiating with a lender. It's not final, it's not complete, but I want to let you know about this. I would say between A, B, and C, I would keep C. Issue an adverse opinion, that's too extreme as well. Going concern usually does not require an adverse opinion. Again, adverse opinion is if you have a problem with your accounting, not a going concern. What should you do now? Whether you are an accounting student, a CPA exam candidate, you want to invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, podcast lessons. Look at the AI assistant, how it can help you learn the material better. Video simulations, video multiple choice questions. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. God bless and stay safe.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.